Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss Eka. My name is Aman Hikaru, and today I'm going to be talking about my research. The title of my research is An Analysis on Grammatical Error Writing in Pre-Context at SMA Widya Kusuma. So, here's the background of the study. Well, as we know, writing is a critical skill in English language learning. It requiring a clear expression of ideas, mastery of grammar, and sentence structure for effective communication. Well, there are two background study. The first one, challenge in writing context. The students struggle with grammar complexity influenced by differences within English and their native language, and it leading to the frequent error. And the second one, impact of error. Well, error in context disrupt narrative coherence and clarity, in obscuring the intended meaning and causing misinterpretation. And so here the statement of the problems. The first one is, what types of grammatical error are commonly found in student context? And the second one, what are the most frequent grammatical error made by students in writing context? And the last one, why does this grammatical error happens? Well, objective of this research is to identify the types of grammatical error commonly found in student context, determine the frequency of specific grammatical error made by students. And the last one, to analyze the cause of its occurrence. Well, this study focused on analyzing grammatical error in context written by high school EFL students, specifically examining verb tense usage, subject-verb agreements, sentence structures, and word order, as these elements are crucial for clarity and accuracy in writing. That related to my research, the first one was conducted by Nanik and Sayapudin and Munawir 2019. The study entitled An Analysis of Grammatical Error of English Students in Writing Skill. The second related study was conducted by Andi Rizka 2019, and her study entitled An Analysis of Student Grammatical Errors in Writing Narrative Text at State Junior High School 1 Keritang, Pendilehan, Indragiri Hilir. And the last related study was written by Siska Rahmayanti 2019 from UIN Ar-Raniri, Darussalam, Banda Aceh. Her study entitled An Analysis of English Grammatical Error in Students' Writing Assignment. The three studies on this grammatical error in student writing share a common focus on identifying and categorizing error in English grammar, but differ in their scope, methodology, and findings. While all the three studies use as quantitative approach to analyze error, they differ in their classification systems, sample size, and the educational context they explore, reflecting varying perspective on the challenges students face in mastering English grammar. For the review of literature, there are definition of error analysis, definition of grammatical error, definition of writing, and definition of context. And the study used two theories. The first theory was survey strategy, taxonomy, July, Bird, and Krashen, and it will classify errors into omissions, addition, misformation, and misorderings. And it helps identify patterns in student grammatical errors and their impact on coherence and accuracy. And the second theory was Carter error analysis theory. Well, this theory will view error as a systematic and reflective of learners' interlanguage, and it explore errors as indicator of development stages and gaps in understanding. The study will be used descriptive qualitative approach, and it will be focused on identifying types, frequency, and causes of grammatical errors in context using Dulay survey strategy taxonomy, omission, addition, misformation, and misordering. And for the data collection, it will be written and spoken assessment, surveys, and interview with students and teachers at SMA Widya Kusuma. And objective of this approach will be to understand errors and provide solutions for improving students' grammar skills. And the data source, there will be 16 10th grade students at SMA Widya Kusuma. And data collection methods will be written context assignments about student last holiday, and it will be there are documentation like such as observations and teacher interview. And analysis framework, it will be categorize errors using Dooley taxonomy and evaluate the frequency and causes of error. For the example, like first language interference or knowledge gaps. And the data analysis, the first will be collect data from written word, and the second one, identify errors using Dooley's taxonomy. The third one, classify and count errors. The next one, explain errors using qualitative analysis. And the last one, calculate error percentage with the formula Sudijoro. I think that's all for my presentation. Thank you very much, Ms. Eka, for your time and attention. If you have any further question or suggestion, I would be happy to discuss them. Once again, thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.